I know, right?
I'm just gonna keep going.
Oh my god, no way.
Oh, it's such a cock.
Hey, do I have permission to put this on YouTube? Hey. Hey. Okay.
Yes.
You guys heard that.
Hey. I couldn't even take a drag.
Oh my god, dude. Dude, this is funny shit.
What?
Band-Aid.
Yeah.
Cause I gotta get one before I leave.
I
wish you guys could hear this.
It's like,
What?
to bring it over here.
Why?
It's just.
No, it's like, you can flip it around.
Oh.
It's like, this is the funniest shit ever, I swear to God.
Hi. Alright.
What's up, dude?
What are you even trying to do? Oh my god. White girl can't dance. That's the title. Oh my god. It's gonna be the title. White girl can't dance.
Hey, ready to go over here. What's up?
Feeling that. Not feeling
Hey, you guys, this is the one from Acting Gay, dude. This is Oompa.
What's up?
Crazy motherfucker, dude. Watch that video, yo. Seriously.
Oh, damn, I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
She's excited. Giggity.
Alright. I got this. Alright.
What the fuck?
Kick it out of the screen.
No.
Scary part is we're all completely sober. That's the scary part.
I'm fucking crying.
Oh my god, dude. Dude, this sucks. There's only a half-minute left, and then I gotta cut it. Oh my god.
I'll fucking one day if I take you home.
What the fuck song is that?
Oh.
This one's a good one.
20 seconds less than that. 15.
Got me. With your pistol, shot me.
Less than 10 seconds.
Keep going, guys.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.